I'm going to take another one right now. Yellow light. Red light. What kind of stop was that? Green light, go. Tuesday, February 28th, the girls are outside riding their bikes for the second time today. It's about 48 degrees, getting a little chilly this afternoon after school. Okay, you have to go over the bridge and change directions. Go over the bridge and change directions. Yeah. After you go over the bridge.
I already went on the bridge.
Did you change directions? Did you change directions?
What?
Change directions. Good girl. Okay, good changing directions. Yellow and red. Oh, it was a fast one. Now you have green. Go.